Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing the Emirates NBD Lulu 24/7 titanium credit card. It is a credit card that is designed for everyday savings and exclusive Lulu hypermarket benefits. But before we begin, make sure you check out the link in the description to explore the card's features and see if it is right fit for you. So if I talk about the key features, so this card is perfect for frequent shoppers at Lulu hypermarkets, and it offers cashback rewards on your daily spendings. So here is what you are going to get. So over here you are basically going to get up to 7% cashback. So you earn cashback on Lulu purchases, fuel and dining. You will have to pay 0% interest payment plans, so you can convert your large purchases into the easy installment payments with zero interest. You will also get the free lounge access, so the complimentary access to selected airport lounges. And if I talk about the dining and lifestyle discounts, so you get the exclusive offers on restaurant, travel and entertainment. There is no annual fee for the first year, so you can enjoy a waived annual fee for a whole year. So these are some of the key features of this particular credit card. If I talk about the pros and cons in a nutshell, so if I talk about the pros, you will get high cashback on Lulu purchases. There is no annual fee for the first year, and you will also get airport lounge access and lifestyle benefits. If I talk about the cons, so the cashback is limited to certain categories. The annual fees applies after the first year unless spending criteria is met. So if you frequently shop at Lulu hypermarkets, and if you want great cashback rewards along with your lifestyle perks, the Emirates NBD Lulu 24/7 titanium credit card is a smart choice to have. It is an excellent option for those who are looking to save on the everyday expenses while enjoying your extra bonuses or extra benefits. So if you want to apply, you just have to simply use the link in the description, and once you are on this page, you need to simply just take a look at the latest offers that it is providing you in 2025, and after that click on the apply now button. Then you can just start this process in which you will have to provide these details and further details on the next page, and you will be able to easily apply for it. So if this video helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.